In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your background in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're working from home or just wanting to add a little creativity to your video calls, customizing your background in Teams can be a fun and easy way to personalize your virtual office space. Let's go through the steps together, making sure you can confidently update your background anytime you like. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams on your device. You can do this by navigating to the official Microsoft Teams website or by launching the Teams application if you have it already installed. Once you've reached the Teams homepage, look for the sign in option, typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking here will prompt you to enter your login credentials, so make sure you have your username and password handy. Once you're signed in, look towards the toolbar and find the video camera icon. This is your starting point for initiating meetings. Click on this icon to move forward. Afterward, you'll want to start a new meeting. You can find this option usually labeled as Start Meeting or a similar phrasing. This doesn't need to be an actual meeting with others. It can be a session where you just set things up. Once you've entered the meeting interface, take a moment to orient yourself. Look for three small dots, which typically represent a menu or additional settings in apps. These three dots provide a gateway to further customization options. Click on them and a drop-down menu will appear in front of you. From this menu, select Video Effects and Settings. This will open up a new set of options that allow you to change your video background. Here you'll see a variety of preset images and effects that Microsoft Teams provides, as well as an option to upload your own custom image. Scroll through these choices and select the background that suits your needs. Whether it's a professional office look or a casual coffee shop, choose something that enhances your presence without distracting from the conversation. Once you've picked your background, the final step is to apply it. Look for the Apply button and click on it. By doing so, your selected background will replace whatever is currently visible behind you in your video feed. You're now ready to join your meeting with a newly personalized background. These simple steps not only add a personal touch to your video calls, but can also help maintain your privacy by obscuring your actual surroundings. Whether you're in a bustling household or just want to hide that pile of laundry, Microsoft Teams background feature is a handy tool to make the most of your remote meetings. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to enhance your virtual experiences.